Homeland Security and Education Center. You can see as we're getting ready for winter, the push is on. What you can see is the closing in of the panels preparing for the winter season. Down below here you see the tiered lecture hall / courtroom. Behind there is the formal entrance to the space and also an area for students to congregate. The essence of this space and the essence of this building is to make it interactive. So all those elements of Homeland Security working together, as well as a NIMS room to do experiments and testing of fire and safety emergency approaches. So what you can see is this is the entrance from the parking lot as far as students coming into the space. And all along this north side of the building is really designed for students. So you can see a little bit further down the line, a little bit more of a lobby effect going down the length of the building. You can see the 3 stories of labs that are associated with the Hogan's Alley, and the lab space itself is a little bit larger of a dimension. So the frame is started. If you take a look at it, the 2 large doorways are actually to an interactive lab that people are going to be able to use for both science in terms of police and fire. There's going to be a fire tower in between those 2 doorways. The tower is going to be designed for testing people's skills in terms of evacuation